We'll guide you through how to turn off NFC on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you don't want NFC to be on, perhaps it triggers by accident with things you've got, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn it off. The great thing about this is you can always go and turn it back on again in the future, so it's not like it's a permanent thing. So we're going to guide you through this. Make sure there's a full guide and don't skip ahead in case you miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, you need to go and swipe up. We need to go and find settings. You can always press search at the top and search for settings. In here, you need to go and find the option for connections. As you can see, there it is. So let's go and tap on connections. Then you need to go and find the option for NFC and contactless payments. We can tap there. And at the top, you're going to go and see the switch. You can also go and press the switch to the right there as well. So let's go and switch it off, and that's it. So now when you go and tap an NFC, it's not going to go off. It's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. If you have any video suggestions as well, feel free to drop them down below, and I look forward to seeing what you've got to say.